Namaste students, my name is Javins Dr. Neeraj Holia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss patterns of biodiversity and it belongs to the subject ecology and evolution. So let's start. What is the patterns of biodiversity? Means how the biodiversity changes. Okay, so in this we will discuss 2 points. One is the latitudinal gradients, means how the biodiversity changes according to latitude, and second we will study the species area relationship. Okay, so first we will take the latitudinal gradients. What is that? The diversity of plains, plants and animals is not uniform throughout the world, but shows a rather uneven distribution. For many group of animals or plants, there are interesting patterns in diversity. The most well known being the latitudinal gradient in diversity. So in general, species diversity decreases as we move away from the equator towards the pole. Okay, with every few exceptions, the tropics herbivore more species than temperate or polar areas. So Colombia, located near the equator, has nearly 1400 species of birds, while in New York, at 41 degree north, has 105 species only, and Greenland at 71 degree north, only 56 species are there. Okay, so India is with much of its land area in the tropical latitude has more than 1200 species of birds. So why this? So what is the reason? Because we know that at the equator, the sun rays falls straight, and in the poles, polar areas, there is very low temperature is there. Okay, so at very low temperature arrests the growth of or to flourish the diversity of the organism there. So the another thing is the species area relationship. What is that? So during his pioneering and extensive explorations in the wilderness of South American jungles, the great German naturalist and geographer Alexander von Humboldt observed that within the region species richness increased with increasing explored area, but only up to a limit. So in fact, the relation between species richness and area for a wide variety of taxa. So turns out on a logarithmic scale, the relationship is straight line described by this figure. This is the relationship between the species richness and area, and the log scale it is straight. So this is the equation: log s is equal to log c plus z log a, where s is the species richness, a is the area, z is the slope of the line, that is regression coefficient, c is equal to y-intercept. Ecologists have discovered that the value of z line lies in the range of 0.1 to 0.2, regardless of the taxonomic group or the region. Uh, for example, for the frugivorous or fruit-eating birds and mammals in the tropical forest of different continents, the slope is found to be 1.15. Okay, so this was the area and species area relationship, and we have talked about the latitudinal gradient. I hope you are satisfied with this illustration. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.